Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Working safely should be everyone's priority, so let's dive right into this month's safety tip brought to you by Sonny's Car Wash Equipment. Elevate your car wash safety with the right equipment. Today, let's talk about conveyor safety. Our conveyors are like the unsung heroes of the car wash, encountering multiple vehicles at a time. It's not unusual to see several cars in the tunnel simultaneously. In fact, that's what we aim for. If our conveyor is strong enough to push or pull several tons of vehicles, it goes without saying it's a very powerful piece of equipment, so it must be treated with the utmost respect. Do not step in the conveyor at any time, even when it's not running. If you have to cross the conveyor, step over it, not in it. Never operate a conveyor without both trap doors in place and functioning properly. If you think that you're an exception, think again. Before starting any repairs or maintenance on your conveyor, perform lockout tagout on your conveyor power pack or your variable frequency drive. Lockout tagout only takes a couple of minutes and can save lives. If conveyor grating has been removed during maintenance, be mindful of the open space when walking and replace the grating as soon as possible. So there you have it. Keep all body parts away from moving conveyor equipment and make sure your safety covers are all in place to ensure the safe work environment we all want to work in. That's all for now. As always, good luck and safe washing.